I love that when I'm in a rush, I can easily dry my hair and know it's going to look good. I'm Brittany with WTI, and this is the Wavytalk hair dryer with diffuser. You have so many temperature settings that are indicated with the different colors. I loved the magnetic attachments for the blow dryer. This made it so easy for when I'm blow drying my hair. I can snap it on for a more isolated control dry for when I'm straightening my hair. And usually my hair is frizzy after blow drying my hair for the day, but this was just so silky smooth. You then can do a different style. Just add the diffuser. Again, it's magnetic. It has 3 different power settings. This is great if you have thicker hair. For me, the lowest setting was good because I have very thin hair. And the diffuser just does such a good job just to add a little body to get those curls activated. It gives you care instructions to ensure the longevity of your blow dryer. Pull off the backing, clean it with a brush, and pull down the filter at the bottom of the handle. I live in a small apartment, so this being compact made it so easy. This was great on the go when you're traveling. I just loved it. But that's just my point of view.